Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today we had a pretty decent push downwards. The last couple of days I've been recommending shorts, so hopefully you caught some this move down on the Euro dollar. Definitely not a bad move. Now this is still looking very corrective to me, so pay very, very close attention to your fib levels. If you get that like double bottom, say break a structure to the upside, kind of like what happened over here at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely stop looking for shorts at that point and start looking for longs again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do not have that double bottom yet. So if it does something like this, then okay, stop looking for shorts. If it does something like this, then keep on looking for shorts. I would definitely go short here if you get the chance. And if it just goes down, makes a double bottom, goes up and breaks structure, then stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Because we do have to keep in mind that the weekly time frame trend is up. I personally think that it potentially could keep going down, at least for now, but the market is the only one that knows best, so we definitely want to do what the market tells us to do. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.